Quality materials, modern technology, old world craftsmanship, and a commitment to doing things right. Vintage Millwork and Restoration is your trusted partner for custom doors, windows, and other architectural products with beauty and performance that are tough to match. Are you looking for a one-of-a-kind door or a cupola for the finishing touches of your horse barn? We make sure every detail is just as you pictured it, no matter if the design is traditional, modern, or somewhere in between. Need one door, tack room component, wine rack? Our millwork shop can handle it. We take pride in our expert engineering, fine precision, and skilled craftsmanship. With design, fabrication, and millwork done in-house, you can rely on our consistent quality and efficient turnaround times. Vintage Millwork and Restoration knows the demands that builders, architects, and designers face every day. So we make it our job to make your job easier. We take a personal, hands-on approach to your project. From the first phone call to installation and final inspection. With decades of experience, we love what we do, and we always aim to exceed your expectations. To see how our team of craftsmen can help you, visit vintagemillworkrestoration.com.